What's up, guys? It's Grant from Gen Motorsports, and today we are installing a Type R hood on the SI. So shout out to ABS Dynamics for helping me get this hood here all the way from California. So I paint matched it to the best of my ability. I painted it myself, and we're going to put it on. First you're going to want to do is take off these four. There's two 10mm here, two 10mm bolts down here. Also, the windshield wiper fluid injectors or nozzles, they just unclip like so, and you can unclip it down here off the hose to put it on. Alright, so this ABS Dynamics hood, or whoever the actual company is that makes the hood, I know ABS Dynamics sells them, is 5.5 pounds lighter than stock. When I took the hood off to paint, like I said, I painted it myself. So I'm just finishing tightening everything up. Another thing that I'm seeing is that the mounting holes for the whatever you actually call this, brain fart at the moment. So I'm just test fitting the hood right now before I'll put the windshield wiper stuff in. This has the cutouts for it, has the cutouts for everything else. So the only thing I've seen so far is that, I mean, it's plastic, it's 5.5 pounds lighter than your stock hood. So just like that. Thank you guys so much for watching my video install on a Type R hood on a Civic Si. I'm Grant, and this is Gen Motorsports. Come for the install, stay for the vlogs. Bye, guys.